Hi traders, this is Shane from equity3.com. Just showing you a video here on outside bars, which can be used for trading the financial markets, whether it be forex, futures or commodities. Now the chart that we have here in front of us is a euro US dollar daily chart. Each bar represents 1 day of trading information. Now for outside bars are a bar which I always look out for on charts because they often indicate great moves, whether it be to the upside or to the downside. So today what we're going to discuss is outside bars which indicate moves down or short positions down to the downside. On this chart here, if you haven't really looked at charts before, obviously up, down, up, down, up, down. What are we looking at here? So I've got an outside bar here, this red bar here. This is an outside bar, and how we would define an outside bar is it's a bar who has a high and low completely outside the previous bar. So if you look at this green previous bar, the next bar, an outside bar, is completely outside of that bar, the trading range. So when you have an outside bar which has an open towards the top here, close towards the bottom here, and is completely outside the previous bar, and it's red, it's going to indicate a move down should the bottom of it break. So if you're going to trade a bar like this, what you would be doing is you would be setting a sell stop order below the low of the bar, let's say anywhere between 5 and 10 pips below the bar, and putting your stop loss the opposite side of the bar, about 5-10 pips above the bar, and you'll be setting your trade. And if it breaks to the short, generally you will have a good move to the downside on a trade like that. So this is a bearish outside bar here. It's red in color and indicates a break to the downside. Now let's see on the chart, they don't appear as often as you would imagine. So if you want to have a look at the chart, let's see, can we find another one? Here's a large bar here, but it was not above the previous bar, so it's not an outside bar. If we look at this bar here, this is an outside bar, meets the criteria. The low is below the previous low, and the high is above the previous high. So it's completely outside of the previous bar, and it's a red bar indicating a move down. It's an outside bar. So trading this, you would trade on a break below the bar. So you're looking at a 5-10 pip on a daily chart, 5 to 10 pip buffer. So you would put a sell stop short here with your stop loss at the top of the bar, and looking for a move down. And this had a great move down. If we're going to look at it pips wise, you're talking about a 200 pip move over a 3-day period, which is fantastic. On this other bearish outside bar here, which I showed initially, the move on that, on 1 day alone, you're looking at about a 200 pip move on 1 day alone. So they're fantastic bars to watch out for. Watch your charts, do a lot of chart time, screen your charts for these, and have a look at these red bearish outside bars and see, do they break the bottom of the bar, and if they do, how far do they go? The best place to trade these outside bars, the red outside bars, is at a high or following a rally. For example, this outside bar here, this red bearish outside bar here, would have been at the very top of this long move up. We had a bearish outside bar at the top, which indicates that the sellers are taking control of this market. So a break of the bottom of this bar, we had a good move from it. Now this outside bar here, although it wasn't at a major high, it was at a pullback, a rally. There was a rally here, and we had a bearish outside bar form, which told us then that good chance that of this down move here, this pullback, we're going to continue down once the bar breaks to the downside. So there's a video on for you guys out there. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more free trading videos, visit my website equity3.com, and I'll be doing another video actually if you want to check out the website on bullish on the green outside bars, which would indicate a move up. So it's the opposite of the red outside bars, but it's one of the few trading strategies that I use on the daily and the weekly time frames, and find them very, very reliable as bars to help you in your trading. So hope you enjoyed that, and if you want to check out more videos, visit equity3.com. Thanks traders, bye bye, have a good day.